After many old platforms like Instagram and YouTube, and the new ones like Disney Plus, Amazon is the latest company to adopt a TikTok-like vertical short-form video. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Amazon is launching Prime Video's new Clips feature so you don't have to watch whole shows with your cooked attention span. The short-form video feed is a new addition to Prime Video's mobile homepage. After launching as a preview feature for NBA highlights, Amazon is helping you decide what to watch next, as the clips include moments from movies and series across the Prime Video experience. In other words, it's a recommendation carousel, but vertical. You know, like your phone. When you tap on a clip, your device will enter full screen mode where you can swipe through other vertical videos. From each one, you'll find options to watch the full content. It's advertising, rent, or buy it, save it to a watch list, like, share, and more. The feature is rolling out now for selected customers in the United States on iOS, Android, and Fire devices. Amazon says it'll be available to everyone on these platforms this summer. In the meantime, you can enjoy the whole shows by rotating your phone or even just to watch trailers. After Amazon rolls out this feature on a bigger level, maybe this could help reach a more wider audience, as everyone is about short-form media these days. People have spoken and their message is clear. Rotating a phone into landscape is just too dang hard. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.